How in the world do we live normal life in the middle of all the coronavirus quarantine junk? That's something we're going to explore together, especially when it comes to self-care. My name is Casey Screamsback. I do live streaming and make videos about self-care. I also work for a nonprofit that helps with mental health called Heart Support. Check the links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe because it's free and we get to hang out more. Anyway, if I'm not mistaken, most of us are still under quarantine, staying at home, isolating, that kind of thing. This coffee's good. We don't really know how long coronavirus is going to last or how long everybody has to stay at home. But here's what I do know. At least for now, this is what our life is like. Kind of staying at home, not really going to restaurants. Some of us got laid off of work. Some of us maybe were working at home with 10,000 kids running around. But there's a tendency to live in this mindset of survival, like in survival mode. And I know just a heck of a lot about this because that's how I've been living for about 6 months. In the last few months, my wife had to go to the hospital. We had a baby 2 months early. Baby had to be in the hospital. Baby came home, got super sick, had to go back into the hospital. Then we moved, then coronavirus hit. So, you know what I'm saying? Things have been anything but normal for me. But I'll tell you what I want. I want to get out of survival mode. And it honestly doesn't matter if there is stuff going on in life because whether it's big or small, you can always panic about something. You can always use something as an excuse to not do what you have to do or to not be healthy. And I'm done with that completely. So this is the first of some experimental videos on kind of getting back into health, doing things the right way, going from survival mode into thrival mode? Is that too cheesy? I don't know. Living healthy, doing what you need to do, even if your circumstances are changing. So I'm going to be documenting my journey on trying some stuff out, trying to live a life that is more mentally and emotionally healthy, better self-care, investing in the wholesomeness, the wholesomicity, the wholesome, getting all wholesome. And the first thing we're going to tackle is the morning routine. And I'm not talking just coffee because coffee is obviously part of the routine. I'm going to make the plan, try and stick to the plan for 7 days, and we'll see what I learn. And I'm hoping you will learn stuff along the way and we'll inspire each other and it'll be good. Let's do this. Let's go, man. A morning routine is something that I've wanted to do for a long time and I've kind of halfway done it here and there, but there's some major things that I want to do in the morning because, you know, if you could do something in the morning, then it's already done. You've already kind of like set up your day for victory. That's what I want to do. Here's the plan. I'm going to keep things simple. I've always wanted to be one of those book reading guys. You know, the guys that read the books. I want to read a little bit of a book every day, and I'm not even going to limit it. Could be a fiction book, could be a self-help book, something a great mind has put together. That's what I'm after. I also want to go outside and take a walk. I want to get some exercise. I'm not looking to jog 5 miles or even 1 mile or even I don't want to jog. Jogging is the worst. That's maybe a later video. But I do want to walk outside, enjoy the nature. Another thing I want to do is take a shower. I love taking showers, so this is not going to be a hard thing for me, but it's still part of the routine. Another big thing that is kind of hard for me is I don't want to look at my phone a bunch in the morning. I don't want to be scrolling through Twitter. I don't want to check email or Slack or Discord or any of that stuff. I just want to have some quiet time that isn't connected to the whole world. So something, no phone in the morning, probably. There's the basic plan. We're going to try it for 7 days, guys. Let's go. Morning routine, day 1. I read, it was awesome. I'm reading the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People because everyone says that's a great book. Seems wholesome. Now I'm gonna see if I can go for a little walk. It's almost 7 in the morning and I have to take out the garbage because that's how real life works. We live in the country, which is cool, but also I have to take the garbage like 100 miles. I'm sleepy still. It's too early to take the garbage 100 miles. Okay. Okay, this is day 2. I got up super late, like an hour late. Hi, Beanbag. Bean Conk. Need some food, Bean Sack? Need some food? Here you go. So I got up like an hour late. Still gonna do things. Yes. It's a super nice day, so I'm totally okay with walking today. But first, the book. I set an alarm so that I actually woke up on time, which is good. Now it's time for reading, walking, and shower. Going out on a walk. It's been super refreshing. I've been pretty much completely off Twitter, which I thought was going to be horrible, but it's not that bad. The people I care about, I can check in on Discord and stuff, so I don't need to know all the random things they're mad about. The second day, I slept in, which was fine, except for like after I was done with my whole morning routine, it was like time to go to work. So I want to have some time, to hang out with my kids and stuff. So I set an alarm and I put the alarm farther away from me, like way down away from me when I sleep. So I have to get out of bed to hit the alarm. And that's really the only way that I can wake up on time sometimes. So after I started doing that, not a big deal. It was awesome. Been reading books. I haven't read a book yet today. I'm going on a walk first before I read a book. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. Look at this. Part of it could be just that there's been really good weather. It could also be just because of other factors, but I've felt a world of difference in my attitude this week. So that's pretty cool. Come on, boat. My dog. This is the kind of thing that messes with habits. I woke up late because it's Saturday. Then I remembered that I have to edit a video that I completely forgot about, so I already did that. Now it's already later in the morning. Family's already eating breakfast and stuff. I usually try and get up before the family. Hi, bun. You like pancakes? We're going to try and squeeze in a small version of this. For the good of the habit, I think it's good to try and do it still. So I'm on a very short walk this morning. So I still hit all the things, not just so I can brag that I hit all the things, I guess, but it's almost kind of like building muscle memory, right? Like even if I do it for just a much smaller amount of time, it's still taking the effort to do each of those things, which I think will be helpful. It's cloudy, way less beautiful weather today. Still nice though, but I definitely feel like less motivated to go for a walk. It's not beautiful, it's just kind of bleh. Good morning. It's Easter morning. And look, it's beautiful. It's beautiful outside. I woke up just a little bit ago, set my alarm like a boss, set it super far away from me like a boss, and now I'm gonna go do the thing. I'm gonna read, I'm gonna get some clothes on that aren't cold, and go for a walk. Then I'm gonna do the shower. The day will be crushed.
What?
Whoa, you got $1.
I got Transformers, Dad, so we can play with Transformers.
What's the best part of Easter, Bryce?
Eating candy and doing treasure hunts.
Just got back from the walk. It's super cold outside, but it felt good. Glad I was able to do it. So this is the 7th day in a row, walking in the morning. I already read, time to take a shower,
And yeah, this was a good experiment. And I think I'm going to keep doing it.
Major things that I've learned. I'm not probably going to do my routine unless I get up early. So I need to make sure the night before that my alarm is set and that it's far enough away to where I don't just snooze it. The other thing that was really helpful was just having the accountability of having to shoot this thing every day. I think anytime that you build accountability into a routine while you're trying to build a habit is good. Even just telling somebody that that's what you want to do every day so that they can check up on you. The other thing that I noticed, which is what I expected, but doing this morning routine not only put me in a good mood just because I'm reading, which I enjoy, and I'm walking outside where it's beautiful, which I enjoy, but also before I even started my day, I felt really accomplished because I had already crushed this list of things. I was kind of starting off the day with a win. And I think that's super important for your mental health. What is a morning routine that you want to start? Let me know in the comments. That would be great. Another thing that can really make you feel accomplished is by cleaning up your space. I have a super convenient video of that right here. Yeah, check it out. Maybe consider subscribing if you like this kind of stuff. I'd like to hang out with you. Nice.